Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire faster. To begin, always move any aces and twos you see directly to the foundation piles. This clears space and builds your foundation quickly. Next, focus on turning over face-down cards in the tableau columns. Revealing these hidden cards is crucial for uncovering new moves and advancing your game. If you manage to create an empty tableau column, fill it with a king to open up more strategic possibilities. When working with the tableau, prioritize uncovering face-down cards, especially in the columns with the most hidden cards. This strategy maximizes your chances of finding useful cards. It's often best to avoid moving cards to the foundation piles too early. Only move a card to the foundation if you are certain it won't block a more advantageous move in the tableau, as keeping cards in play can open up more options. Managing your stock and waste piles efficiently is key to speed. Try to cycle through the stock pile as few times as possible, ideally just once or twice per game. Before drawing a new card from the stock, always check if any cards in the waste pile can be played. Planning several moves ahead helps you anticipate needs and minimizes the number of times you need to draw from the stock, saving valuable time. To truly play faster, always choose the move that reveals the most new cards, as this opens up the most possibilities. Think several steps ahead, considering the long-term impact of each card placement rather than just the immediate gain. Consistent practice is invaluable. It helps you develop faster pattern recognition and decision-making skills, allowing you to spot optimal moves almost instantly and significantly reduce your game time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.